room 984 in the Iwa Tower Deluxe Studio, using our DVC points to stay here. Say hello.
Hello.
Happy honeymoon. As you walk in here, you've got a big cupboard, wardrobe with an ironing board. Then you've got your kitchenette immediately on the right, microwave. In here you've got all your essentials. Sink, got a Keurig coffee machine, tea, coffee pods. Nice fridge in there. Bin and fire extinguisher under there. And then on the left hand side you've got nice sliding doors into the bathroom. Got a nice bath with an overhead shower and a rainfall shower as well. Some nice body wash. Lovely little bird there with a little Polynesian flower hair clip. Hand soap, body cream. Big mirror, nice big sink. Toilet with another sliding door so you don't have to, you get some peace and quiet when you want to go to the toilet. And then, nice big freestanding mirror there. Bosh, there's your massive bed. As it's our honeymoon, they've very kindly given us some chocolates. Nice little pen. There's a nice little congratulations sign there, a love heart. How many of these hair grips have you got? Like 6, isn't it? 6, yeah. Little pen. Telly there. Chest of drawers. There's a pull-out sofa bed there. The iconic Aulani Mickey lamp as well. We've got a nice little print there as we're DVC members. And then the best part is the view. We've got an ocean view. And it's not only an ocean view. There is the ocean. How stunning is that? Then you've got a nice view. You've got the Four Seasons just over there. All of the water park in there. And the pools. You've got the main lobby, the main reception there. And even the hills over in the background. Look at that for a view. There we go.
Click the playlist on screen to watch our travel vlogs.